Okay, this is what we got going on. Today, or today is the 17th, so the rest of the month, we have a special. The King program, the Hustler Kung Fu King program, is $3,000. We're so sure that this will help you that we're offering a 90-day money back guarantee. You do the work, you go through the course, and you don't get any results, you get your money back. Links below. Links below for people who don't have $3,000 of the money to get into it. What you could buy is the money management course. Link should be below. And then there's an email list link below. I know that's there. And also the link to my new YouTube channel, Passionate Friday, and a link to the new YouTube channel, Savage Finance. All those links are below. So act now because you have 13 days. All right, so let's kind of get off into the BS meter. Someone just left this comment on my YouTube channel. Anton, you're not on Anton Daniels' level. He never made a video about me. Really? Anton Daniels made several videos about me, and he's taken them all down. His tribe is trying to manufacture a new narrative because that's their boy, and they love some Anton Daniels because they're fucking dumbasses. Once again, I speak congruently. They're fucking dumbasses. This bullshit artist lied his way into their hearts, and they're going to defend him. All you watching this video know that Anton Daniels made a video calling me a sexual fucking predator. Yet one of the members of his tribe is like, he ain't make no videos about you. He ain't make no videos about you, man. What are you talking about? Where's this come from? Really? Really? So they're trying to manufacture a child. I'm going to say something. I am not on Anton's level. I'm not on Anton Daniels' level. I am far fucking above that motherfucker. I'm a real businessman. I don't come on YouTube and lie about my origins. My YouTube history is a lot of history. It's fucking documented. From the storage auction days to the business advice, all that shit's on this YouTube channel. My shit's documented. I don't have to make up any wild ass stories to explain my success. It's fucking documented. But once again, let me say this again. I'm going to split the Anton Daniels tribe into two groups. There's a group of people who see him, he sounds slick, he sounds smart, and they're like, I like that. And these people are financially illiterate. And there's a group of people, lead attorney, who know Anton Daniels is full of shit, and they went along with it because they made money from it. They profited from it. But the average Anton Daniels lover doesn't understand finance and money. You know why? Because the average person doesn't understand finance and money. Right now, there's so much fake financial advice on YouTube, it'll blow your mind, right? So with the Anton Daniels tribe, here's the thing. When I come up here and say the shit I've been saying, the tribe gets irritated because I'm not attacking Anton Daniels. I'm attacking their worldview, and they like what Anton Daniels has been putting out. I'm going to say something. I'm going to be really, really clear about it. Anton Daniels is a cluster B personality. If you don't believe me, Google it, look it up. And the chances of Anton Daniels cheating on his wife or have cheated on his wife are extremely high. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know if he did or he didn't, but the probability level is through the fucking roof. And this is one of the reasons that he always said, my wife travels with me. You know why his wife travels with him? That's his fucking safety blanket. If she's always with him, it makes it hard for him to fuck up because he knows himself. So he's like, I don't care. Yeah, you go with me, you ride with me. That way he can't get in trouble because I think he's come very close if he had not committed adultery. But once again, that will, people are like, well, he wouldn't do that. He wouldn't do that. Let me explain something to you. He got married at 22 years old. At 22 years old, he didn't know shit. He didn't know anything about women, and now he has all of this money, and he has women like knocking on his door. I guarantee you the motherfucker's tempted if he hadn't already committed adultery. Once again, I'm not there. I don't know. I can only speculate. But the tribe, this group of dumbass people. Because here's the thing. It's one thing to be swayed by the lies and the precision of Anton Daniels. It's another thing to buy in. This man literally, and go to my YouTube channel. I left the comment up. He left it under the video that Anton Daniels is the king of niggas. Go ahead and blow his shit up. And I guarantee you, two things going to happen. He won't respond or he'll delete the comment because he doesn't want to deal with the truth. Anton Daniels made several fucking videos about me, but we don't want to deal with that. We want to rewrite history and act like that shit didn't happen. And I'm going to say it. If you're following Anton Daniels and you're shouting him out in your videos, more than likely you're a fucking fool because you don't know better. And I know I just insulted a lot of people because a lot of people love Anton Daniels. I don't give a fuck. You're a complete dummy. You're a complete asshole if you think that motherfucker is telling you the truth. Because he's not. He's not. And once again, I'll just sit here and look at it. I cannot believe that dude put that shit on my YouTube channel. If it wasn't for the sexual predator video, Anton Daniels would not be where he is. So this I researched both of you guys. No, you didn't. You didn't research me. You didn't go to Amazon. You didn't do a Google search on me. Not at all. You would have found some stuff. Positive stuff. But once again, the tribe doesn't want any positive stuff out of me. They want me to be petty. Petty. So this fool makes a video about me calling me a sexual predator, but I make a video calling him the king of niggas. I'm being petty. I'm being petty. Where was all of this verbiage and dissension when he made that video? Not one of you motherfuckers said a fucking thing because you liked it. You enjoyed it. The video that dropped before this explains what your problem is. You are a weak ass man that can't get no fucking pussy. Excuse me. You're a weak ass man that can't get the pussy that you want. I'm gonna tell you something. Getting the pussy that you want, having her moan in your ear when you hitting it, when you knocking it out, that shit is stupendous. And you motherfuckers don't know about that. You don't know about that. The tribe of Anton Daniels. The tribe of clowns, fools, and dumbasses. Because a lot of people and this is something else too, which kind of is interesting. He's always on these dating shows talking about dating. A man that's been married since he's been 22, he don't know shit about modern dating unless he's been doing some modern dating. Always on dating shows, was up Kevin Samuel's ass. Now all of a sudden he's talking about this, let me go ahead and give you my prescription on this. I personally believe that you should not get married young, not at 22. Maybe 27 with the following criteria. Number one, you live on your own. Number two, you date a lot to get it out your system. Tressie, I'll never cheat on her. You want to know why? Because I done had all this pussy. I literally I have a story. My Craigslist game was going so good that I was like, I want to fuck 30 hoes. I got to 28 and I couldn't finish up I was so fucking broke down for fucking all these hoes. I was just sitting there like, this is unsustainable. I can't continue to do this shit. So I will never cheat on her because I have been to sex parties, sex clubs, had not one, two, but 3 girlfriends at the same time. I've been through that phase. So I don't, because essentially I just think about her all the time. I think about being with her. We just got back from dinner a little while ago. Well, drinks and stuff. So, but once again, someone like Anton Daniels and the tribe, the people who love this little fucker, I'm going to show you something in the coming months. And if you're a person with honor, you're going to go like, damn, he was right. And you will state it publicly. But if you're one of those people with no fucking character, you're just going to slurk over in the corner and like, damn, he was right. I ain't going to say shit. I ain't going to say shit. Like the dumbass that left that comment. Light him the fuck up. Light him the fuck up. Let me see. What is his name again? Let's go through. His name is Masonic LCS. This is the exact comment. My guy, I did research on y'all, and you, my friend, are not on AD's level. Videos like this shows you're real petty. I've never seen AD make a video about you. Brothers with business success should be working together instead of bullshit ass videos like this. This is what this fool said. This is what this fool said. Everyone here knows the truth that Anton Daniels made several fucking videos about me. Several. But for some reason, his tribe wants to rewrite fucking history. It's kind of crazy. But that's all I got to say. Be a member of the Anton Daniels dumbass tribe. Be a member of the low intellect, low IQ, financially illiterate bunch of fuckers and suckers on the internet. Because if you believe this fool and believe in him and think he's on this supreme level, that shows me how inept and incompetent you are.